All right, the next thing we're going to do is something called combustion. Does anybody want to know? Does anybody know what combustion is?
Is it when it yields carbon dioxide and water?
I like that. Carbon dioxide plus water.
Yes.
Those are the products.
And energy.
Plus energy. Okay. But what would the reactants be? The reactants are very specific.
Yes.
What are the reactants?
Flammable.
Starts with an H and ends with like an N.
Hydroxide?
Hydro, good. Hydro.
Hydro.
Think of oil, wood. Methane, natural gas, propane, octane, gasoline, hydrocarbons. Okay, hydrocarbons
CHO4.
plus oxygen. Okay, let's do the most basic. Okay, the most basic. Let's say methane. I don't expect you to do the nomenclature of hydrocarbons. I don't think so. Okay, but what I do expect you to do, what are the products always going to be? Anytime you have a hydrocarbon on the left with oxygen, what are the products always going to be?
CO2 and water. H2O.
CO2 plus.
That just depends on whether you have to balance it.
Yeah, you have to balance. That's the hard part. Okay, so I'll give you a hint. First of all, you have to have whole number coefficients. Okay, this is the trick. You do the oxygen last, and you can do fractions, mixed fraction, and then just double everything. Want to say how to do it? Really easy? Okay. You have 4 hydrogens there. You need 4 there. You have 2 oxygens plus 2 oxygens is 4.
So you need two more over there.
You need 2 more over there. Is that it?
Yeah.
That's it. That's an easy one, right? Is it easy? Yes? Do you get it? Let's double check. 1 carbon, 1 carbon. 4 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens. And I did the oxygen last. 2 and 2 is 4, and I got 4. Yes? That's an easy one. Yes? Let's do one that's a little bit more difficult. Do this one. Okay? Let's take ethene.
Ethene.
Yeah, that's called ethene. Okay, ethene. E-T-H-E-N-E. Plus, and what are the products going to be?
CO2 and H2O.
Okay, what did I do? I did the hydrogens first. I got 4,
You need
2. I have 2.
So
I need 2. So, now what?
now there's 4 oxygens.
It's
So
good.
No, are there 4 oxygens?
No, there are.
6.
6 oxygens?
2 plus 2.
Yeah, sure.
6? So how many, what do I put here?
3.
3.
3. So far, so good, right? Pretty easy, pretty straightforward? Yes? Yes? Okay. Let's get rid of this 2. Let's get rid of this 2. Rid of 3. We'll change these subscripts. So let's say propane. You've heard of propane?
Yeah.
Okay, propane would be 3, and that's 8. Right? 3 and 8. That's going to be that's going to be pretty easy.
4 H2O.
So, what do? I do 3 carbon. How many hydrogen?
4.
I need 4. That gives us
That gives
6,
10.
10.
10, sorry.
Yeah, if you have an even number of oxygens on the right, you're okay. But what happens if you have an odd number? That becomes a little trickier. But it's easy. It's easy. Trust me. Trust me. Said the safecracker when he asked to borrow the drill. Trust me. Okay. All right. Let's do one that's going to give you a little bit of a hard time. Let's do butane. Okay. Okay. So you're going to do the carbon, right?
Where are we doing the hydrogen first?
You can do the hydrogen first if you like. 5.
5.
What's the problem now, though? How many oxygen do you get? You get 8
And 10.
and 5.
13.
It's 13, right?
Yeah.
So what's half of 13?
6.5.
6.5, right? Can you do that?
No.
Yeah, you can for now, but then you got to do what?
Half an oxygen.
No. You can't touch that too.
You can't, no.
What if I double everything?
Yeah.
Isn't that going to give me low ratio?
Mm-hmm.
So in other words, what you do is 2
If you double an odd number, it gives you an even number. So.
Exactly. But you always want to check it. So what do we got? We have 8 carbons. We have, oh, did I double this? I didn't double that, sorry.
8.
And I didn't double that either. Always important to check, right? So I have 8 carbons, 8 carbons. I have, what's this?
That's
I think that's
hydrogen.
supposed to be the H. Okay.
And I have 20 hydrogens. I have 20 hydrogens. I have 26 oxygens, 26 oxygens. Let's see if the ratios are lowest. Okay. 2, 13, 8, 10. Easy? So, balance the hydrogens, then the carbons, then the oxygens. If you end up with an odd number of oxygens over here, that's okay. You do it with a fraction, then you rewrite it and you double all the coefficients, and you're going to be fine.
Yeah.
Double check, so they make sure you have lowest ratio. 2 to 13 to 8 to 10 is lowest ratio. Yes?
So, do you have to do the fraction part, or can you just skip to the...
If you want, if you get really good at it. Yeah, sure. You want to get the right answer. Okay, combustion reactions. Hydrocarbon plus oxygen on the reactant side. On the product side, carbon dioxide and water. Easy? I think that does it. I think we're done. I think we're done. Okay? Yeah? Easy? Okay. So what's that? Stoichiometry 8 and 9, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.